Hey Churchill, I'm Francesca.
And I'm Alan.
And here's your daily dose for Thursday, August 30th.
And now, please rise for the pledge to our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Unfortunately, the student planners are not yet available at the school store. Please check back when they are in stock.
Interested in the English Honor Society? If you are a junior or a senior, pick up an application outside the English office room 235. Be sure to submit it by the September 5th deadline.
SAT will be administered to all sophomores and juniors on October 17th, beginning promptly at 7:25 a.m. All 11th graders must complete the registration form and submit a check for $14 payable to WCHS by Friday, October 1st. You may find the registration forms in the main office, and please submit them to Mrs. Linton on Friday, October 5th in the main office. During the PSAT, all 12th graders are expected to work on their college essays in the media center or cafeteria.
Don't forget to stop by the news rack located by the main office, the Bulldog lobby, the cafeteria, and in the front of the journalism classroom to pick up the Churchill's Observer's Back to School issue.
After school weight training starts next week. The weight room will be open from 2 to 4 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. These are drop-in sessions open to all students. If you're interested, please pick up a form outside of the weight room and return it to Mr. Ashiel.
Churchill's newest club, Above the Influence, will be holding its first ever meeting tomorrow in room 214 during lunch. Join a great community of amazing students who want to make better and safer choices. The theme for the meeting is Oreos. Wear anything that's black or white and get free Oreo cookies. We will be discussing our projects, getting to know you, and hanging out, so please come. See Mr. Schilling if you have any questions.
Membership applications for the Science National Honor Society can be obtained outside room 201 and will be accepted through tomorrow. Completed forms are to be returned either to Mr. Nugent in room 201 or to his mailbox in the main office.
Seniors! Pick up your lunch passes any day this week at lunch in front of the main office. You cannot leave the school at lunch without one.
Girls basketball players, there will be a meeting in room 213 tomorrow at 11 a.m. All returning players and any new girls who have an interest in playing this year should attend. See Coach McMahon with questions.
Attention class of 2016. There is a mandatory class officer election meeting today at the beginning of lunch in room 221. If you want to run for a class officer position, you must attend this meeting. If you can't attend for some reason, please contact Ms. Lubinetsky before the meeting at lunch. Thank you.
Skip the lines on game day. Buy a season pass online at www.fieldhouse.com/Churchill. Buy one for yourself for just $18 and one for your parents for $30. Whether it's one season or an annual pass, take your pick. Also, check out the amazing Spiritwear online today and show your athletes your support from the stands. Thanks for watching, Churchill. I'm Alan.
And I'm Francesca.
Have a great day.